Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pizza Khakhra at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, and about 1/4 cup of water to make a soft dough. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth, then let it rest for 15 minutes. This resting period helps the dough become more pliable, making it easier to roll out later. Now let's get rolling. Divide your rested dough into 8 to 10 small, equal portions. Take each portion and roll it out into a very thin, almost translucent, round disc, about 6 inches in diameter. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium heat. Place 1 rolled disc on the hot griddle and cook it for about 30 seconds on each side, just until you see tiny bubbles forming. This initial cook is crucial for the Khakhra's texture. It's time for the pizza magic. Take your lightly cooked Khakhra and spread 1 to 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce evenly over one side. Now, add your favorite toppings like finely chopped onions, bell peppers, and a generous sprinkle of grated cheese. Place the topped Khakhra back on the griddle. Cook it on low to medium heat, pressing gently with a clean cloth or spatula until it becomes wonderfully crisp and golden brown. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Your homemade pizza Khakhra is ready. Let it cool for a minute or two to achieve maximum crispness. You can serve it whole or break it into smaller, bite-sized pieces, perfect for a quick snack or an appetizer. This delightful treat offers a unique fusion of Indian and Italian flavors. For best results, enjoy it fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days, maintaining its crunch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.